How to disable keyboard auto space on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable keyboard auto space on Android phone. First, and open your keyboard, and now click these 3 points and then click settings, and here we'll find this one, typing, click on it, and now all you need to do is just scroll down until you find this one, auto space. And here all you need to do is just, if you want to disable it, click on it, and as you see, auto space have been disabled. And that's it, it's easy. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.